In this video, I'm going to give you a couple of things to think about before you buy into the old, if it's yellow, let it mellow, and if it's brown, flush it down to reduce water usage, because this is a toilet that was damaged because of all the cleaning I had to do from the calcium that would build up within a few months. And some of it was over a quarter of an inch thick. And when I took the toilet off, I noticed there was something in the pipe, and there was quite a bit of calcium deposits at the base of the toilet. You can see here where there is a hard object that would have seriously been reducing the flow of wastewater through this area. And the black thing you're looking at is the wax ring. And when I broke the toilet apart, this was located at the bottom or near the base where the wax ring was. And it looks like a variety of different minerals were used to form this. And if you're going to suggest that these are hard water deposits, then I have to point out that there are two identical toilets located in my house, and the other one was flushed regularly and rarely had any calcium deposits in it. And now for the grand finale, the large object that is clinging to the side of the ABS drain pipe. And I'm guessing it was formed just like a stalagmite that you would find in a cave, and formed from a constant supply of urine and calcium in the water or other minerals that might be causing this. Because I'm not flushing the toilet, I'm peeing, and the small amounts that I'm peeing into the toilet leak onto the object, making it grow larger. And here's the first batch I pulled out using a pry bar, along with the grand total of everything. I do believe I have a piece of toilet paper in here that I used to saturate some of the stuff with white vinegar, 5% white vinegar, and that didn't seem to do much. And you can see here that it's not like a rock. I could actually break it apart, but it was pretty tough inside the plumbing pipe. So what's the moral to this story? I'm not going to let the yellow mellow in the toilet. I am going to flush it every single time. And who knows, in a few more years, I might have another video to show you the progress of what everything looks like when you actually flush your toilet every single time you go into the bathroom. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.